Okay, let's go. It's a good signal. Famous last words. Let's have a look and see if it's out of the hole or not. Well, it feels like it's out of the hole. Okay, that is out of the hole. Awesome. Let's have a look and see. Okay, it is a coin. Okay, nice. That's a very good start. And is it... That's an old... What is it? Is it a silver? Gosh, it's hard to tell. Let's give it the old traditional bang on the shovel. Get rid of the stuff. Okay, is it a 5-cent piece or is it a... Gosh, it would be nice if it was a sixpence. I like finding those guys. I think it's hard to tell. Well, it actually... I don't know, viewers, what do you think? Is it a sixpence or a 5-cent piece? We'll find out, I guess. Okay, alrighty. It's a good signal. 17. Bottle cap. Oh, I got my money on a bottle cap. Let's go, bottle cap, come on. Nope. So it's out, that's always good. Straight away, really? No, it's a coin. Oh, okay, I was wrong about the bottle cap. Oh, it's a 50-cent piece. Find a lot of those. Yep, there it is in all its glory. Amazing to think that back in the day this was actually worth quite a lot. I could go down to the store with this back in the 70s and buy myself enough lollies to make myself thoroughly sick. Anyway, that's a good find. Alright. Bit of a busy day on the beach today. A few extra people. That's alright, it's nice. 22. I don't know, it feels like a legal tender coin, maybe a $1 or $2 coin. Let's find out. Much nicer down here on the white sand. There's less iron sand, so it's a lot easier to find stuff. Cat's out. Is this switched on? Yep, it is switched on. Okay, it's a coin. It's a $2 coin. Look at that. Called it. Fantastic. Great. Well, it's not as nice as a sixpence or a shilling or a 1 penny, Australian 1 penny, but still, it's a nice addition. One dug for about 15 minutes to find an old bit of wire, which was obvious. Oh, okay. Alrighty, well, it's a Tonka fire truck with movable ladder. Cool. Someone's come down here and played their toy and then forgotten it. Okay, cool. I honestly was not expecting to find another $2 coin, but I'll take it. Good, that almost pays my petrol to get here. Fantastic. All right. Alright, so it's in here. This is a strange one. I don't have high hopes because usually it's pretty consistent if it's something decent, and this is all over the place, so alright. Further, more digging required. Right. Alright, it's out. So. Oh, hello, 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 hello. Look at that. Lovely. Nice. $1 coin. Okay, well, read that wrong. Literally about 5 paces away from the tent peg. Would this be the 5th tent peg of the day? I don't know. Oh, hello, what's that? Nope, it's not a tent peg. It's actually a spoon. Feels like a $2 coin. Sounds like a $2 coin or a $1 coin. This will be number 3? No, 4. This will be number 4 if it is, which is pretty good going actually. Let's see. Okay, it's out. No. A sinker. Alright. Oh, coin. It's a coin. Fantastic. Okay, what is it? What do we got? It's an old 10-cent piece.